Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to redeem codes in Archero 2 game. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you need to open the game, then click the 3 lines in the top left corner and go to the settings. From here, we need to copy our user ID. Just click the copy button and it will be copied automatically. Now we can close the game and go to the browser. You need to enter to this website which is called gift.archero2.com. This is the official website. From here you can redeem codes and you can find the codes on the internet. Just Google the simple keyword Archero 2 latest redeem codes and find the codes. Once you found the code, you need to paste the user ID in the first gap. You need to enter the code in the second gap. And we need to enter the verification code and click the redeem button. So that's basically how you can redeem codes in Archero 2 game. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.